She will not dare do that in America. She won't do that in London.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Emefa had Castle demonstrate to Frank Adom Otchere because whilst he's a politician, she's not a member of parliament. And when politicians are being denigrated, the people that are denigrated the most are the members of parliament. It is them that we don't respect. Members of parliament, we don't respect them. If you go to London, in England, you see a member of parliament, you see the reverence they give to them and the reverence they give to each other. You will see that they have built a democracy. And you will see that if we are building a democracy, we have some way to go. Because she goes into parliament disgusted about the whole parliament. It's not the only one. It's many Ghanaians. Many Ghanaians are disgusted about that whole parliament and what is parliament, and they sit down and they don't do anything, and they just collecting money, and they are taking bribes, and they are taking loans. Who told them? The NDC told us that the MPP is corrupt, they are thieves. The MPP told us that the MPP, they are thieves. MPP said NDC is thief, MPP is thief. So I am Emefa Castle. I come to parliament. I don't respect you because you are thieves. Yes. And that's why she can look at a member of parliament. This is Petroleum Commission Chief Executive. On the organogram, the governance organogram, her position is below Deputy Minister. Her position is not even relevant for Article 78. It doesn't come to vetting. She's sorry about that. She's not at vetting level. This is the chief whip of the minority. Can you imagine in America, a Petroleum Commission boss goes to the appointment committee hearings of the Senate, where they are doing the appointments committee of the defense nominee. And then she sees the minority chief whip at the Senate and calls him silly. It will never happen in America. She will not dare do that in America. She won't do that in London. She will not do that in Nigeria. Nigeria, next door. Why am I even in America? Nigeria. Go to Nigeria and go and see. Go to Abuja. You will see there's a particular hotel. I don't want to mention its name. There's a hotel in Abuja. It's an international brand hotel. Its busiest moments is between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. Why? Because the Lord Senators have closed from the Senate at 11 p.m. Nigerian Senate, they start at 5 because they are trying to be sensible. Why are you starting Parliament at 8? But today, please, I don't want to be called for privileges committee, so I won't say it, but I don't understand. There's no sense in starting Parliament at 10. In the life that we have here, which developing world starts Parliament at 10 in the morning? In Nigeria, Parliament starts at the close of day. In Britain, they start around 2, 3 o'clock. They've gone to courts, they've gone to hospital, they've gone to here. When I say hospital, I mean they are working at hospital, they are doctors, surgeons. They've gone to court, they are lawyers. They've gone to other things, they are doing their work. They start strolling into Parliament at 3 p.m. That's when they are coming to look at it. Ghana, they say 10 o'clock. Every day, 10 o'clock, there's nobody there. Every day, unless sessional address, there's nobody there. But we keep doing it. But that's a side comment. Now, she shows up and she has the effrontery to tell the minority whip, irrespective of who he is. And then she also says something like, were you not standing on television shouting on? I mean, okay, this is the video. Have a look at the video.
I'm who? Why? What's the meaning of that?
What do you mean you are taking me on? What does that phrase mean?
You hold us micro.
When you are micro minority, doesn't Avenia himself use that phrase?
Who's there with that?
I don't have time for
Who's there with that?
No.
You are not recording.
So that's the video. I mean, who do you blame? Do you blame her or do you blame the system? I mean, I have to congratulate Frank Adom Otchere, the MP, whose demeanor and conduct was very calm. He has demonstrated great leadership, and he was very calm with it. And later on, I watched him in Parliament as he was making the complaint to the Speaker. He was still very calm, and I think that's a great feather in the cap of the minority leader. I'd also like to appreciate the demeanor of the members of the majority in the video. You could tell that they all sort of felt. You saw Joyce Bauer trying to calm Adom Otchere down. I saw other people trying to manage the situation who were on the majority NDC side. So it would appear that they all felt that this Emefa tirade is bad. But can you really blame her? Can you blame her? We have been told that parliamentarians are useless. They, the parliamentarians, come and tell us that another parliamentarian is useless. It is them. Ablakwa told us that Brian Achampo is a thief. That's what he said. So we know that parliamentarians are thieves. So we don't respect them. We think that they are stealing our money. So we don't respect them. And it is a call to the politicians. When you are granting an interview, you can call your colleague incompetent. You can say he has made mistakes. But don't do value judgment. He's a thief. That thief thing we say, that is what brings the problem. That's what brings the denigration of the political class.